do the honors. Grabe si Sir Paul. Tinagandahan ni Sir Paul. And for your queen, the king is not complete without the queen. And then may intermission. Sa dito karakaroon na, may special dance together. For the Queen of Hearts, you are chosen by the judges. Unanimous decision. We have number... May 6 ang una na nga number. May 6 ang una nga number. You are the Queen of Hearts, number 62. We have Andre Car of grade 11. Advisors, please give the awards. And the judges. And of course, we have the crown for our king and queen. Operator, let us give later our king and queen special dance number. Ang tanan nga nagadaot, please, ang may mga sashes, prepare kay mapapicture kamo danay karon. Tanan. Of course, to crown Sir Nike, requested man, Sir Nike. Sir, to give, may I request Sir Nike to give the assist for the crowning of our king, Sir Paul. Sir. Okay, and of course for the picture opportunity. Congratulations! We have now witnessed the coronation of the king and queen. May I request everyone to please let us witness their special dance number. Please go to the front. Okay, lights off, please. Okay. Our king and queen of hearts, please proceed sa ating the center. Ready? Holding together. Dyan lang. Ready? Let's give a hand to our King and Queen of Hearts 2026. Listo man sa wala? Sound you know? No, hindi na namin lang tawin. So may pang-search kita next year. Ready rin ka mo? Thank you so much sa ating photographer. No? Instant photographer. Thank you so much kay Marcel for bringing us your photographer. Okay, while our king and queen is dancing, may I request everyone na may awards to please go to the center. Ready? Ang tanan na may awards.